Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to take you into my bedroom to show you a little spring bedding refresh. I don't know about you all, but I am so ready for a little spring refresh, and I always like to change out my bedding with the seasons. And as many of you know, I am a huge fan of Quince bedding. Pretty much my entire house has Quince bedding. I've been a longtime fan of the brand. So I wanted to say thank you to Quince for sponsoring this video. So if you're interested in seeing my spring refresh bedding, luxury for less, as well as some of my other favorites from the brand, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you have heard me all talk about Quince Turkish towels. They are a must-get product. Those are literally the only towels I have purchased since I discovered them on Quince. I did just pick up another version of the Quince Turkish bath towels. Number one, I love this mineral shades. So I have the Turkish bath sets in white. I have them in silver, but I will tell you my favorite color is the mineral. I just love this color in general, but this time I decided to try the ribbed set of towels. And again, you get an entire set, so that's what I love. They are so freaking soft, and I don't know about you, but as you wash your Turkish towels, they get softer and better with age. That is what I have found. But this little set is going to come with your little washcloths here, and they are already so soft. These are the ribbed ones, and I just thought that was going to be a nice little change up for spring. It comes with 2 hand towels. And I can't express to you how much, like, this is so luxe and plush and just soft. And these ones are going to be these fast drying, absorbing ones. So just think these are fantastic. Love the color. And then it comes with 2 of the bath towels, and these are going to be the standard bath towels. These are just fantastic. I will tell you, if you want to splurge, go ahead and get the huge bath sheets. That is like a pure luxury item that I have for myself, my husband, and then of course I use the standard size, but just wanting to throw it out there. The bath sheets are worth the splurge. So literally, this is why I love Quince, because these are pure luxury, seriously. Turkish towels, best fabrics, soft, long lasting, but you can get them at an affordable price point, which makes a huge difference. So if you're looking for sustainable and quality fabrics, textiles, all of that, Quince is going to be your new best friend. Highly recommend the Turkish towels. You will not regret buying these, especially if you are ready for a little spring refresh. This may sound silly, but fresh towels and fresh bedding just always makes me so happy. So now I'm going to take you upstairs. Let's go make my bed with my new spring bedding. Okay, welcome to my bedroom. And the first thing we're gonna do is make my bed. If you are ready to transform your sleep, you must get a pair of bamboo sheets. Literally, this has transformed my sleep. And yes, I'm a little bit older. I may be a bit hormonal. I may get a little overheated at night. And I swear these bamboo sheets have this sort of cooling effect to them. And they are literally just like pure luxury. Like, I swear I felt like I was sleeping in a luxury hotel, and I love them so much that I have purchased them for my daughter, for my son. If you are looking for a great graduation present or somebody moving into their first home, I swear this is the best gift to give anyone. So I have just freshly washed my bamboo sheets. They smell amazing. They are so soft. And I'm just gonna quickly make my bed. Okay, for the winter months, I had the whole Quince down comforter set with the duvet. And now, since we are moving into the spring summer months, I have picked up the bamboo dream quilt set. And I picked this up in sand. And I have to tell you again, pure luxury here. I feel like I've created this luxury hotel bedding set, but this is just so beautiful. It is soft, it is luxurious, it looks very expensive, and it comes with these shams as well. So let me quickly do this layer. My furry friend loves the bed as well, but I just have to show you, it is just pure luxury right here. And here is the completed bed set. Clearly, my little munchkins love it just as much as I do, but I cannot express to you how luxurious this bamboo dream quilt set is. Okay, I know you can't quite feel through the camera, but I just have to tell you, it is so luxurious. And speaking of spring, I also wanted to mention that one of my uniform pieces from Quince is the adorable cotton cashmere cardigans. Now, these are so lightweight. They come in several colors, and literally this is one of my uniform pieces. So wanted to throw that in there since I'm wearing my little Quince outfit here. So I love my little spring refresh bedding. I cannot recommend their bedding enough. I will go ahead and link down the other bedding that I already have in my house. If you've watched any of my videos, you will have seen some of the other bedding that I absolutely love. Okay, I just wanted to share my life transforming bamboo sheet spring refresh bedding. Highly recommend. You really cannot go wrong with Quince. Seriously, have the best customer service, the best return policy, 365-day return policy. If you ever need to return something, they make it super easy, i.e., once you drop it off, they give you your money or exchange quickly. So you just can't go wrong with Quince. If you are looking for luxury for less, if you're looking for quality products, great sustainability, soft fabrics, textiles, they literally go and search out the best of the best. And then they cut out kind of that middleman and just give you the direct fair prices. So my love for Quince started with their cashmere sweaters. That's how I got introduced to them. And now they have just grown so much. They have like beauty products now, they have furniture, they have bedding, obviously. So Quince has just become a go-to source for me, and I cannot recommend it enough. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with another video soon.